Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Enphase IQ Gateway for EV charging and solar surplus, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your Enphase IQ Gateway for EV charging and solar surplus, start by locating the Enphase app on your smartphone or tablet. Open the app and log in using your Enphase account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. Select the IQ Gateway option from the list of available devices. Ensure your IQ Gateway is connected to your home Wi-Fi network for proper functionality. In the IQ Gateway settings, look for the EV charging section. Toggle the EV charging option to enable it. Next, locate the solar surplus settings within the same menu. Enable the solar surplus feature to allow excess solar energy to charge your electric vehicle. Review your current solar energy production and EV charger status displayed in the app. Adjust the charging thresholds according to your preferences. Confirm your settings to activate both EV charging and solar surplus features. Watch for any notifications or alerts in the app indicating successful activation. Once confirmed, navigate to your EV charging station. Connect your electric vehicle to the charging station. Monitor the charging process through the Enphase app to ensure it is utilizing solar surplus efficiently. Make any additional adjustments as needed to optimize your charging preferences. Your Enphase IQ Gateway is now fully activated for EV charging and solar surplus use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.